We're at Host Industries in Bend, Oregon, and this is a 2026 Mammoth triple slide with the new Peninsula option. Let's take a look at this camper. Now we're inside the Host Mammoth. All three slides are out, and here is the star of the show. This is their new Peninsula. Look at the size of this sink. It's absolutely monstrous. And on the end here, they have an optional fireplace. Just luxurious living, tons of storage everywhere you look. Nice induction cooktop, 12-volt refrigerator. Around here is an absolutely enormous dry bath with this really cool door. And for privacy, both from the cab over too. So you can actually have privacy from the cab over and from the main living area. But the new star of the show at Host, what they're really excited about is this new center Peninsula option. We have more information about this truck camper in Truck Camper magazine.